In Igbo culture, one of the ways to know who is a man is by engaging in wrestling. Back in the days, men that feel that they are now man enough gather at village squares to engage in wrestling with their fellow men. That was how our fathers then found a wife. Those days, the king, the Igbos, when they want to give out their daughter's hand in marriage, they will gather the whole men in the village at the village square for them to wrestle and know who is the most powerful. The strongest of them will be the person the Igwe will give out his daughter's hand in marriage. That was how it was done. So those days, when men want to fight, they engage in wrestling. They don't break bottles and do all those things that we see people do these days. No, it's quite different. Exactly what I see in this video was how Igbo men showed that they were now man enough, or that they are powerful, that they are strong in those days, in the days of our forefathers, when things were going the way they were supposed to go. So this particular video was Obaji Festival of the year 2024, and one of the events that took place there was wrestling. These people, these Okambwas, the wrestlers are called Okambwa, those that engage in wrestling. They came all the way from Nnewi, Anedo Creative Hub, a creative community in Nnewi, Anambra State, brought them to Onitsha as one of the activities they brought as the official creative partner of the event of this year, of Obaji event of 2024. They came with wrestlers and so many other side attractions. So these are some of the wrestlers from Nnewi and the Creative Hub in Nnewi. They came here to show their skills, what they have got. So I will allow you to watch this video and enjoy it, because this video takes us back in time. The video takes us back in time to the ways our forefathers lived, the ways they did things, the ways they wrestle. They gather at village square to wrestle as part of fun, or finding a wife, or for any activity, for a prize. So watch this video and enjoy every part of the video.